Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'm going to show exactly how to allow others to see the pages and people you follow on Facebook using your PC. This is especially useful if you want your profile to look more open, build trust, or simply share your interests with others. Let's get right into it. First, open Facebook on your computer and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and click on it. A small menu will appear. From that menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand into another list of options. From there, click on Settings to open your main account settings page. Now, on the left-hand side, scroll down until you find the section called Followers and Public Content. Click on it to continue. Once you're inside, look for the option that says Who can see the people and pages you follow. This is the setting that controls whether your following list is visible to others. Click on that option, and you'll see different audience choices. To make your following list visible to everyone, select Public. This means anyone on or off Facebook can see the pages and people you follow. After selecting Public, make sure you click the Save button to apply your changes. And that's it. Your following list is now visible and people can easily see your interests and connections. If you ever want to change this back, you can follow the same steps and choose a different audience like friends or only me. Thanks for watching.